Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get full Driver Booster 12 Pro for free. So let's go. Before starting, disable your antivirus or patch won't work and Driver Booster 12 will not be patched. In my case, I have Windows Security. After disabling the antivirus, install Driver Booster 12 and do not launch it and close Driver Booster 12 completely, even from Taskbar or through Task Manager. Finally, go to Patch Folder and copy version .dll to Driver Booster 12 installation folder. Now open Driver Booster 12. There you have it, a fully working Driver Booster 12 Pro. To keep it Pro version, go to Settings in Driver Booster and disable checking updates on startup or anything related to automatic updates. Thanks for watching and goodbye.